All right, guys, this is awesome. So check this out, right? They are now selling t-shirts, $30 a piece that says, "I'd rather be smelling candles at TJ Maxx." And to me, this just emphasizes how big of an opportunity right now there is for TJ Maxx. Here's the scoop, right? You probably heard that Bed Bath & Beyond is going bankrupt, right? No secret, right? They're going to be closing 400 of their stores starting now across the country. And what this will do is open up a huge opportunity for TJ Maxx. Why? Well, those customers who are shopping at Bed Bath have to now go somewhere to spend their money to buy the stuff that Bed Bath & Beyond was unsuccessfully selling. And TJ Maxx is in prime position to capture those customers. Get this, right? Of the 400 stores that Bed Bath & Beyond is closing, 80% of them are within 5 square miles of a TJ Maxx store. And that includes their namesake TJ Maxx, Home Goods, and Marshalls. So what is painful for Bed Bath & Beyond is going to be a huge opportunity for TJ Maxx, and I think the shares are now buyable, especially at these levels. I mean, just like when Circuit City went out of business and all of those customers went to Best Buy and Best Buy profited and capitalized on that, the same thing is going to happen with Bed Bath & Beyond, and that is why TJ Maxx is buyable right now. Hope you like this tip. If you want more tips, check out my report. See you soon.